let's create a list of keywords for us to target. Back on the overview, under Keyword Ideas and Keyword Variations, click the View All Keywords button. Here, add a filter to just look at informational keywords. Click Apply. Check the boxes next to keywords with decent search that seem relevant to your intended content, and leave out any keywords that are clearly associated with a brand that isn't yours, like Pillsbury and Toll House in our list here. When you're done selecting keywords that seem like a good fit, let's save them to a new list. Click the blue Send Keywords button at the top right. Then apply it to the Keyword Strategy Builder. Create a name for your new list. In our case, we'll name it Mini Chocolate Chip Cookies Recipe Blog. The check mark indicates we've added these keywords to the list. Click back in your browser, then click back again to return to the Keyword Overview page. Then under Keyword Ideas and Questions, click View All Keywords. Follow the same process, adding an intent filter and checking boxes of relevant keywords. Click Send Keywords, then click on the name of the list you just created. To view your list of keywords, click on the arrow icon next to the list name. This will take you to the Keyword Strategy Builder. Click on the volume column header to sort by high to low search volume. At the top of the page, you can see the total number of keywords, the total monthly search volume across all the keywords, and the average keyword difficulty of all the keywords in your list.